So if you're watching this video, I know you're interested in upgrading the audio on your Harley Davidson. And I want to introduce you to my company, Volunteer Audio. There are many, many places you can go and buy a quote plug and play kit. There's a lot of different options on the market, but at Volunteer Audio, we have our own method. I think we have the best way, the best engineering, and the easiest installation. From hundreds of YouTube videos now up showing you step-by-step how to do this so you can save that labor cost and do your own install, to us taking the time to do a lot of the hard work here at Volunteer Audio before it ever ships to you. So first, the easiest part about our system, and I think what separates us the most, is the way we do our amplifiers. For example, we do this with our precision power amps or Hertz amps options that we have in our stage kits. When you get an amp from us, you get this additional part that you don't get elsewhere. This label is telling you that ahead of time, one of our technicians has pre-wired a complete plug-and-play harness for your bike. We've also set it for your factory radio or maybe an upgraded Soundstream radio, so your gains and your filters have been set. And included is the mount to mount it in your Harley. So whether that's a plate to mount it on your Roadglide under your radio, or what's necessary to secure it above the radio on a Streetglide, an Ultra, or an Electroglide. Everything you need to do the install is plug and play and included, so you're not after the fact trying to buy parts elsewhere to finish the install. Now, the term plug and play is a very loosely used term in this industry. A lot of people are using that term and they send you a box with a bunch of plug-in harnesses and none of it's connected together. We take it a whole lot of steps further. We spend a lot of time wiring it up appropriately, making sure everything's heat shrunk, properly taped, with Tessa tape like the factory harnesses, all the gains and filters set so at the end, when you turn the ignition on, it sounds great. You don't have to take it anywhere to get it tuned. Nobody has to try to set it up. All that is done here before it ever ships. Second to that, at Volunteer Audio, we are very particular about what brands we carry. So we carry the top of the line speakers. We carry speakers that sound good without a DSP. So that when we're done, you don't have to magically try to make it sound right for you. So whether that's our Hertz speakers or our precision power speakers or even our Infinity Kappa speakers, we've been very particular to pick motorcycle only speakers. We're not ever going to sell you a car speaker and tell you it's for your motorcycle. They're all going to be waterproof. They're all going to be Neo, so they fit without modification to your bike, and we're going to make sure that it's super easy and that end result is a good result over and over again. But best of all, we have excellent tech support. So when you get to that part where you're going to do the install, you can call us and at no charge, we walk you through any step you need, whether that's flashing your radio, or maybe you just have a question on where to route a harness or how to hook something up. Well, not only do we have great YouTube videos, but I have great technicians that have all done installs on staff, on our phones, ready to help you. But this is the best time of the year to upgrade your bike. You're not probably riding. You can take your time on your build and you can be ready for spring instead of waiting till spring when you go out. And then you're like, oh man, I wish I would have upgraded my audio. Now you're missing a weekend that you could have been riding because you waited till then for install. Well, we got you covered. We take PayPal financing, which is 12 months, no interest, as well as Affirm. Affirm's very easy. We do up to 12 months, no interest through Affirm, and they just break it down into monthly payments on your credit card. Almost everybody is covered with one of these two finance options, and it makes it where you can buy it now and wait till spring to really have to pay for it. Not only do we have great financing options, at Volunteer Audio, you're guaranteed to always get the best price as well. We always adhere by the lowest price allowed from the manufacturer, and we make sure that over and over you get the best deal from authorized dealers. By purchasing from an authorized dealer like Volunteer Audio, we also have the best warranties in the industry. Our Hertz products are all 3-year warranted and Precision Power is 2-year. So you're guaranteed years of excellent sound without having to worry, because if you have a problem, we're going to take care of it and we're going to make sure that you're back right. I hope this has answered a lot of questions about possibly your install. Check out our other videos. I know that we've done excellent step-by-step install videos that will show you that you could do this on your own and not only get a great deal on the kit bought from Volunteer Audio, but save a lot of money on installation by being able to do it yourself. So please like this video, share it with your friends, definitely subscribe to our channel to view all of our other install videos as they come about. And we're just so thankful for you as a customer. We're thankful for you watching. And as always, God bless.